Easy and simple Indian style potato recipe with a smoky flavor. You can make it with minimal ingredients and enjoy it with the lemon and pickled onion. The exact quantity I'll mention it in the description. So first heat the oil. I will add cumin seed and some dried chilies followed with equally sized potatoes. Saute it for 2 to 3 minutes in low flame. Cover it with a lid and cook it for 5 minutes in low flame. As you can see, the potato has released water. In this stage, I will add the spices. I have coriander powder, cumin powder, turmeric, red chilli powder, and salt according to your taste. I'm adding the spices and I'm sauteing it well so that the potatoes are covered well with the spices. The flame is extremely low here to avoid burning since there is no water. Now I'll add around 1 glass of water, cover the potatoes and cook it in low flame for 10 minutes. As you can see, the potatoes has been perfectly cooked. Now here I'm taking a piece of charcoal to give it that smoky flavor and that unique twist. I'll add the charcoal and put a little bit of oil in the charcoal and then cover it so that the smoke is trapped inside and it gives the potato its unique flavor. Oh my god, the aroma, I cannot explain it to you guys. Just top it with coriander leaf and enjoy it with onion salad or salad of your preference. If you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching.